Okay, so this is one behavior that I have noticed. This has been going on with my 8BitDo since I purchased like 2 months ago. Okay, now as you can see here, there is no interaction with this controller. I'm not dealing with it, I'm not messing with it, I'm not pressing any buttons, nothing. I just have this controller in my hands here, okay, and that's all. Now as you can see here, okay, the low battery indicator it is blinking, and sometimes when that happens, so you can have an idea what I'm talking about, sometimes when that happens, random input will happen with this controller. I mean random input, like some inputs will be generated by this controller without my intervention. For example, here, let me just put this side to side. So I'm on the Steam testing controller thing. This is the 8BitDo Ultimate, okay? And I have this situation going on. Look, this is the right stick, and I'm not pressing any buttons, I'm not moving with it, and look what's happening here. It's misbehaving. There is no intervention, it just does it by itself. Now, as I said before, this will happen, okay, whenever I have low battery, or sometimes even when I'm using the controller normally. No, I don't think this is an issue with the stick. I don't think it is. Then again, I cannot judge, so yeah, there you have it. Brand new controller, and I have this happen, which is not great. I mean, I expected better, higher standards from 8BitDo, but this misbehavior is the exact reason why I left my previous controller to purchase this one here. But I cannot have this happen with a brand new controller. It could be an issue with this right trigger. It could be, I don't know, but here, let me see here if I can make this with the left one here, for example. Left, right, up. And now the left one is just fine, it's just sitting there, 0, 0, not messing with it, 0, 0. But the right one is really going crazy, and I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything at all. Like, I can even hold this controller like this, so you can have an idea. Look at this. Look at this. I'm not messing with it, I can put it in any position. Like this. Like this. And the right stick is still going crazy for some unknown reason. Now if I steer to this direction here, okay, it sits there. But the moment that I leave it alone, it goes crazy again. Down here. It still goes crazy even though I'm messing with it. I'm controlling it. So steering, maybe, no, no. And this has been my 8BitDo experience. And this is why I asked you if they offer any stick replacement, because I don't know, dude, if this is happening to this controller, okay, there's nothing ultimate about this one here. This is a flaw. This is a flaw. And because this is affecting one of your triggers from this controller, the company should sell replacements for this. Of course, if the fault is with the Hallsense stick.